everyone, my name is Cherry and I am super duper excited to be here at the Punky Color Studio. Today, I'm going to be using the Punky Color Off to remove this beautiful, awesome, iconic green hair. I'll be using bright yellow for my roots, and for the rest of the hair, I will be using Flame, the sweet pumpkin orange color. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. Look how it turned out. I love it so much. In the very last minute, I used Vermillion red as the tips of my hair. I love it how it turned out. It's definitely giving me Halloween vibes, and I feel like a Halloween queen. To shop, go to punky.com. Bye guys!